This video will show you how to extract the note template and macro files and then how to data transfer them into Xactimate. So you should have already downloaded those folders or files that were posted to the page. And here you can see I've got the macros and the note templates on my desktop. So what I'm going to do is right click and extract all. So right click on the folder, then click on extract all, and that's going to ask you if you want to create a new folder for it to extract to, and that is absolutely fine. So I'm just going to let it go to my desktop and create a new folder that has that same name. So I'm just going to left click on extract. Then when it's finished, you'll have a folder that you can open up and you can see all of the note templates in there. Once you've got the file extracted, go ahead and open up Xactimate and go to the data transfer section of the Control Center dashboard. It should be in the top right corner of your screen in Xactimate. And I'm going to retrieve from a folder. So these two radial buttons are good. And then it's going to ask you where do you want to retrieve it from. And I'm going to go ahead and browse here. And I'm going to choose that new folder here, macros, right there. And left click OK. And go to select items. And I want to go ahead and highlight the first one on the list, then hold down Control A, and that'll highlight all on the rest of the list, and that is going to select everything at once. And then I'm going to left click on Retrieve. If there are any macros in your system that are already named the same, you can go ahead and choose to skip or overwrite them. I'm going to go ahead and overwrite them because I know that this new macro packet that I just created is the biggest and best one that I've had so far, so I want to make sure I overwrite any duplicates because I've made some changes here. And it's going to ask me, does it apply to this item only or to all the macros? And so that I only have to do this once, I'm just going to click macros there and left click OK. And it tells us our transfer results have succeeded. So all the way down the list you should see here succeeded. And I'm going to go ahead and close that. And now you should be able to go and check and see if your macros are available. I'm just going to open up a test estimate here. And I can go to my estimate items section and go and look for the new siding paint macro. So I'm going to go right to my macro subtab there and just type in siding. And there we have it. We've got paint, siding, with an overhead door, all my new siding macros that I've created, so they have been imported successfully. That is how you import macros. Note templates will work the same way. You'll just want to go ahead and extract the note template file, then use the data transfer to retrieve those note templates. If you have any questions or you have a suggestion for a macro that you would like created, go ahead and post in the Facebook forum. I'd also love to hear any suggestions on note templates that y'all are currently using out there in the field, and we can start to really build up this library. So go post over in the Facebook forum and I'll see you there.